This is tutorial number 36. In this tutorial we're going to continue talking about the rib, cut, or its other name slot, and it's called in other software the sweep cut, if you are familiar with other CAD software. So now it's work the same idea like the rib, but it's creating cut instead of solid part. Let's choose this surface to make a sketch, and let's make a circle here. Let's make it smaller. Escape. Choose circle, and now let's exit, and let's create a path for this circle. I'm going to choose this line, sketch, and let's choose this line and project it as can project it with this project 3D elements as we talked about it later. I'm just going to project 3D element. So we created this line to be part from the sketch. Exit, slot or slot here, and the profile is this. The center curve is this. Review. So now, as you notice, we created a cut through. Even the profile is not exactly intersecting the center curve or the cut path. So this is an idea how this works, and if you make it thick, you can create a thick and just keep it like this. Okay, now we created a hole inside this box.